Are you hungry for bold promises and even bolder flavors? Welcome to Taco Don's Chicken, where our tacos are huge, our chicken always backs out of the shell, and every deal comes with a side of spicy indecision. At Taco Don's, we announce new menu items every week, then change our minds before you can say extra guac. Why settle for commitment when you can have confusion and crispy chicken all in one bite? Taco Don's Chicken, where we always chicken out, but you never miss out. Swing by today before we change our minds. Taco Don's, we speak Russian. Order our new chicken specialty, right-wing chicken asshole surprise. Taco Don's, now offering a 10% discount to all right-wing domestic terrorists.
And now it's time for the throw punch!